Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share how to make garam masala at home easily under 5 minutes. Did you ever wonder how to make an authentic garam masala? If you have been looking for a good authentic Indian garam masala recipe, you just found the one you need. Garam masala powder is a mix of spices and seeds that have been ground together. These ground spices vary by regions, by families and across households within the same regions. You can buy this in the store itself without any hassle, but for sure it won't have the same aroma. If you need an authentic garam masala, give this a try. You won't regret it. My friends and relatives love my mom's garam masala because it has some unique flavors. So today I'm going to share my mom's garam masala recipe. Every year my mom makes it for me and sends it from India. Now it's not possible, so I'm making it myself with my mom's guidance. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. The best places to get all the spices are either Amazon, Whole Foods, Sprouts or any Indian grocery store. I have shared links for some spices which is available in Amazon in the description box below. Please do check it if you need one. Mostly I buy my spices in Indian grocery stores. You can make the garam masala in two ways. One is to dry roast all the spices separately in the pan, or the another one is without roasting the spices. I'm going to make a garam masala without roasting the spices. That gives a very nice aroma. You can add just a pinch to half teaspoon of the garam masala to the curries and biryanis. Let's start making it. Take any blender or food processor. I'm going to use my instant Ace Plus blender. It grounds the spices in few seconds. Add cinnamon, star anise, cloves, fennel seeds, cardamom, white poppy seeds, this is optional, black stone flower, bay leaf, nutmeg. It yields approximately around 11 ounces of garam masala. If you won't use it that often, please halve the recipe. Close the lid and ground the spices. I'm selecting the blend option in my Instant Ace Plus blender and grind until it's a coarse fine powder. It takes only a few seconds to make it. Scrap it once in between to grind all the seeds and bits under the blades. It's done. Let's open and see. Wow, garam masala smells so good. It smells exactly how my mom makes it. Homemade garam masala is ready. Transfer it to the airtight container and store it at room temperature. It will be good for more than 6 months. If you won't use it that much, you can store it in the Ziploc and freeze it. It stays longer. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.